Good morning everyone. My name is Sudha Sandas. I'm studying in LKG at the class. It was some bad day. A crowd was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. A glass, a pot with water.
He went
He went close to a pot.
he
He saw a pot
that there was
that there was very little water in the pot. His beak could not reach the water.
he saw
He saw that there was
some pebbles.
some pebbles on the ground. He got an idea. He picked up some pebbles and dropped them into the pot one by one.
He dropped it
He dropped a pebbles
into
and water came up.
the crow.
From the water,
The crow
a crow, a water, a crow away happily.
Thank you.
Thank you.